Welcome to Money Mantra channel. This video is about the mantra to become as rich as Kubera. For getting extremely rich, there are only two ways. Either worship Shiva or worship Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi. But Lord Kubera is said to be the regulator of the money, and without his grace and Lord Shukra's grace, getting extraordinarily rich is not possible. Today I will share a mantra sadhana through which any person can become rich like Kubera himself, along with becoming one of the dearest to him. The mantra can be chanted by anyone, and this sadhana does not require diksha. Procedure for Kubera Mantra Sadhana. Start this Kubera Mantra Sadhana from Dhanteras or Diwali. Start this sadhana at dusk facing north. Sit on a red velvet asan in Padmasan or Kamalasana. Bring a yellow or red chowki in front of you and spread a cloth on it. Keep 3 tantras in front of you on mounts of rice: Shri Yantra, Shiva Yantra and Kubera Yantra. Also keep a Ganesh idol or yantra, whatever you prefer. Then establish a copper kalash full of water on a mount of rice. Light 2 pure ghee diya and 2 sesame oil diyas. Use earthen diyas only. Then worship your Guru, then Ganesha, the Lakshmi, Shri Yantra, then worship Shiva Yantra and finally Kubera Yantra. First do Panchopchar Puja of Ganesha. I am sharing the procedure of Panchopchar Puja ahead. After doing Ganesha Puja, recite his mantra Om Gam Ganpataye Namaha, 1 rosary using Rudraksh Mala. Then do Panchopchar Puja of Shiva Yantra, Shiv and finally Kuber. Panchopchar Puja Vidhi. Deep pure ghee diyas should be offered to Shiva and Shiv Yantra. Oil diyas should be offered to Ganesh and Kuber. Dhoop. Offer a dhoop of Google or whatever you prefer. Naivedya. Offer Naivedyas of bananas to each of them. Pushp. Offer champa flowers to all. Gandh. Offer a paste of kesar or chandan to the 4 corners of the yantra. After doing Panchopachar Puja, recite 1 rosary of Lakshmi Gayatri mantra and Shiva Gayatri mantra. Then recite Amogh Shiva Kavach. Then take a sankalp by mentioning the respective Vedic year, Vedic month, Paksh, etc., and that you are doing the Purush Charan for fulfilling your so and so wishes. Recite this mantra 50 rosaries daily for 20 days using Rudraksha rosary. The mantra is in the description. The mantra sadhana is specially for Dhanteras and Diwali. If this sadhana has started on some other day, chances of success will be lesser. One will be getting astonishing results if this sadhana is done in a Shivalaya. Other guidelines of Kubera Mantra Sadhana: make a tilak of chandan or kesar and only then do the japa. Make sure oil and pure ghee does not end during the japa. Even though this mantra does not require diksha, during the sadhana days certain conduct and discipline needs to be followed, otherwise your sadhana will go in vain. I have specified various rules like Bhumi Shaya, Brahmacharya, daily dan, complete surrender to God, etc. You can refer to these articles or these videos for more information. Every sakha must go to Shivalaya in the morning and offer Pitra, Chandan, rice, milk, etc. to Shivaling. Pleasing Lord Shiva is equally important as pleasing Lord Kuber in this sadhana. Do not forget to recite Amogh Shiv Kavach because Lord Kuber is said to be the king of yakshas, and it is said that the mantra is also used for attracting yakshas. Mantra can be chanted by men and women, keeping in mind that the chanting requirement of 1 lakh. If you cannot do so much japa, then don't begin the sadhana. If you break the sadhana, your wealth conditions will deteriorate. This is a personally experienced fact. The sadhana rules please refer to the videos of sadhanas shared in the past. One must also perform Sandhya daily early in the morning and then at dusk. Sandhya is not doing but achaman, pranayamam 10 to 15 times and chant your God's Gayatri mantra 1 to 5 rosaries. In some parts of India, 30th November is also considered as Dev Deepavali. Hence the mantra sadhana can also be started on that day.